Menteri Sarkar Bapet Yakatanat Pule Puthi Kejela u Rakam E Sangma Menta Kesngi ke Pratarek Ujeliau la Ple Pat Ba Yaka Workshop Ba Arsi Yaka Bala Penlong daga Department of Education Pat ke Department of Sociology jong ke Synod College Haka Jingi Trei Lang Bat ke Department of School Education and Literacy ke Sarkar Jela Yaka Ba Kala Bay Tingka daga NEC ICSSR NERC bat ke State Bank of India. Kapang pedeng jangkini ke workshop ba arsingi ke day halor ke National Education Policy 2020 Interpretation and Implementation at School Level. Bat hakani ke singi laidon lang ru unong aibut jang menteri rang ba ke jela ubadai ru unong aibut ke tenat Pule Puthi uba HM Shangpliang. Madu Father Dr. Paul Pudesere ubadai unong wat benia halor ke Social Science na Lord Kyrwoh Shampang. Nakaliang Dr. Bibi Sumer ubade convener Assistant Professor Department of Education ke Synod College ubala kren halor ke Pang jong ke jing penlong ke college yakani ke workshop ke ba arsi.
This workshop is organized to provide a platform for the heads of schools to gain insight into different aspects of the policy, to help them to identify areas of the policy that they could implement in their specific context, to familiarize them with issues and challenges that they may encounter while implementing the policy and the way to overcome such challenges.
Father Dr. Paul Pudesere ubade unong wat benia ni research halor ke social science ula ai ke jingkren ke babnia kabe day ba kapang pedeng jong kani ke workshop ke ba arsingi kata kalong halor ke National Education Policy 2020.
India has created national policy on education and to encourage education across all economic strata and include common person in the mainstream. This strategy covers a wide range of topics, from elementary education to institutions for higher learning in both rural and urban contexts. The policy is comprehensive, all-encompassing and far-sighted, and it will undoubtedly play a major role in the country's future development. It proposes to make the educational framework adaptive, multidisciplinary, and tailored to the needs of the 21st century, as well as to the Sustainable Development Goals of 2030. It's also significant to appreciate the emerging characteristics of knowledge. Knowledge has been deinstitutionalized. You can access any information anywhere at any time, provided you have a technology to access it. Again, knowledge has become dynamic. It is no more static. What was knowledge yesterday may not be knowledge today. And knowledge has become intra or interdisciplinary. And again, the authority of knowledge is no more external. It is an internal construction. Even today, due to the fast advancement, it is difficult to evaluate how usage shapes up the near future. This requires upgraded educational structure.
Nakaliang unong aibut jong ketenat Pule Puthi ke Sarkar uba HM Shangpliang haba kren lingkot haka jingalang ulapan pau daka jingdon jong kani ke National Education Policy 2020 kanirap ban penbha ya ki jaka Pule hapo ke jela bat kumjuru ya ke jingdon kinong hikai school.
We understand the problems on the ground. Today you're going to hear a lot of theories. ये करना है, वो करना है, this has to be done, that has to be done, you people have to do this, you have to maintain this chart, maintain this thing. Deep down in your head you say, well, we will do. But, always a big but with buts. Because, when your children are hungry, when your school is leaking, when your children do not have books, when your children do not have uniforms, what do you do with the policy? Am I right or not? Therefore, we from the government are here to support you now. This policy has to be implemented. As it goes, funds will also flow. Because if you do not implement the policy, there is no funds. Am I right or not? Madam Suma is really nodding it because she knows. She's been mugging this policy every day, every night. And she knows where we stand. Therefore, we must take this opportunity to implement the policy to bring a brighter future for our children. This policy is going to bring a bright future for every child in the state.
Umentri Sarkar bapet yakatanat puli puthi urakam e sangma habay kren hakajing alang uloong ba na lor ba kajilla kaladan yala ka jong ka Meghalaya chapter bada ka jingwan jong ka ni ka National Education Policy 2020 jong ka sarkar kami kabrang yarap shibon e nakabenta bandang pinbha shu ya ka puli puthi hapo kajilla Meghalaya hi barok away.
As a state, Meghalaya has lots to be done. Lots to be done. Many personal, great people of our state has inspired the nation and inspired the world. When you talk about Delhi University, Jawaharlal University, IIT Madras, when you talk about many universities of the country, but when we look toward northeastern state, sometimes we feel very, very far behind. I think as a news going across today. So, but the potential that you have, be as a teacher, be as a student, be as a state, I think we are second to nobody. But everybody should understand the potential, the resources that we have. Therefore, I would like to appeal to every teachers, every professors of the state, of every institutions. Let's use the best resources that we have and give the best knowledge to our students. Meghalaya, the Northeast, should felt presence in the country as a for justice for. Therefore, I think this education policy will bring the best mind of the region, of the state. So therefore, my friends, this is our time. Let our former Speaker of the Lok Sabha, let P.A. Sangma, he always said to the masses, the objective of the present generation is not to consume the resources that we have today, but to protect and preserve and promote to the generation that is coming behind us.